Right here, this big blob here, that is Tropical Storm Lisa. It is getting better organized. It is getting stronger. It does look like it could become a hurricane. Even if it doesn't become a hurricane, it's going to be very close to it. So everything we've been talking about over really the last week to week and a half, all right on track with this system. Again, it mainly missed Jamaica, just like we mentioned yesterday, how aside from some rain, the bulk would stay to the south. Cayman Islands, same thing. So watching this on track, but I want to go over to the storm surge, the rain total, in the core winds with this system. Belize, Honduras, looking at you. We're going to cover this in depth. And you see right now, we've got the warnings that are up across Belize and then stretching back through Honduras. This is going to move almost due west. High pressure, if you're new to this channel, we have a lot of folks. High pressure is up to the north. So it is blocking it. We talked about that yesterday, keeping it down to the south, keeping more of that westerly track, and that will drive it right into Belize, very close to Belize City or just